The IR in IR Blaster simply stands for infrared. The hardware itself is also equally simple to understand. If your phone has an IR Blaster, it will allow you to send commands, via infrared rays, to another device, such as a television, set-top box, or stereo that is compatible with IR remotes. The main advantage of using an IR Blaster-based device is that your phone doesn't need to be in the line of sight with whichever product you want to control with it. That means that if it's a set-top box, for example, it can be placed out of the way and still be controlled by an IR Blaster-based smartphone. Your phone can even control an IR Blaster-compatible device through the wall of your home, if needed. Hope you like the video. Like, share.